My father's life was built on trust. And the one person he trusted most was Joseph. He wasn't just a worker. He was family. My father called him Joe Boy, sometimes Jojo. My father was into the building materials business. If you know that business, you know the kind of money that flows through it. And Joe Boy. He was the perfect man for the job, lawyer, smart, trustworthy. He could carry 30 million to the bank and not a single kobo would go missing. Everyone believed in him. My father believed in him with his life. But one day, betrayal knocked on our door. That day, after huge sales, my father handed him 50 million naira to deposit. And that was the last time we saw him. Joe Boy disappeared. My father's world shook. People in the market told him to curse Joe, to go diabolical, to make him come back. But my father didn't care about the money. He only asked one thing, is Joe Boy safe? Is he alive? If I tell you his good heart didn't irritate me, I would be lying. 2 weeks later, an international call came. My father picked. It was Joe Boy. Oga M. I'm sorry, his voice trembled. I know I betrayed you. Forgive me. I had to leave. Please stop searching. I promise, one day, I'll pay you back. And my father replied, come and steady. No problem, Joe. It is well with you. I was angry. Everyone was angry. How can a man steal 50 million and all my father says is it is well with you? But my father only said, if I truly took him as my son, then I should pray for him, not curse him. Life moved on. Business continued. But 4 years later, disaster struck. My father's goods sank at sea. He had borrowed heavily from the bank. The house, the cars, everything was now on the line. The bank gave us a date. When the day came, cars with sirens pulled into our compound. My father told us, children, take what you can. It is time to leave. My mother and I wept as we picked our bags. Then another car door opened. A young man stepped out. Tall, handsome, strong. We didn't recognize him at first. He walked straight to my father and knelt down. Oga M, it's me. Joseph. I've come back. My father shouted with tears, Joe Boy. Joe Boy, as he lifted him up in his arms. Joe said, please forgive me. I've come to make things right. But before they could walk inside, the bank officials marched in with their papers. Mr. Azubike, they said, your debt is 150 million. Today we take over the house. Joseph turned to them, come. How much are we talking about here? They said, 150 million. We already have a buyer. Joseph smiled. There will be no need for that. I'll pay. And right before our eyes, he paid it all. Not only did he clear the debt, he gave my father 500 million to stand tall again. We broke down crying. My father kept shouting, Joe Boy, Joe Boy. That day, all my anger melted. I finally understood what my father had seen all along. Forgiveness can truly restore.